Ever wondered how many people actually bank with Relay? Is it a massive operation with millions of users, or a smaller, more niche player? Let's be honest, when it comes to banking, we all want to know who else is on the same boat. Are we part of a bustling community or a tiny, exclusive club? Relay Bank, with its unique approach to banking, definitely sparks that curiosity. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the truth about Relay Bank's customer base. We'll explore the factors that influence Relay Bank's customer growth, how Relay Bank compares to traditional banks in terms of customer size, the implications of Relay Bank's customer base for its future, unpacking Relay Bank's customer growth. Relay Bank isn't your average bank. They've carved out a niche by focusing on mention-specific features, e.g., mobile-first banking, ethical investing, community focus. This unique approach has undoubtedly attracted a specific type of customer: early adopters and tech-savvy individuals. Relay Bank's emphasis on technology and digital-first banking likely appeals to early adopters and tech-savvy individuals who are comfortable managing their finances online. Sustainability-conscious consumers. If Relay Bank emphasizes ethical investing and sustainable practices, it will attract environmentally and socially conscious consumers. Community-oriented customers. If Relay Bank fosters a strong sense of community among its users, it will attract customers who value belonging and connection. Relay Bank versus traditional banks, a numbers game. Comparing Relay Bank's customer base to traditional banks is tricky. Traditional giants like mention a few major banks boast millions, even billions, of customers. However, it's important to remember that Relay Bank is a niche player. They're not aiming for mass market dominance. Their focus on specific customer segments allows them to offer tailored services and build deeper relationships. Customer growth is a key indicator of success. While the exact number might be elusive, consistent and sustainable customer growth is crucial for Relay Bank's long-term viability. Qualitative factors matter more than sheer numbers. Focusing on customer satisfaction, loyalty, and engagement is more important than simply chasing the largest customer base. The implications of Relay Bank's customer base. The size and characteristics of Relay Bank's customer base have significant implications for product development. Understanding customer needs and preferences helps Relay Bank develop innovative products and services that truly resonate with their target audience. Marketing and outreach. Effective marketing campaigns can be tailored to specific customer segments, maximizing reach and impact. Community building. Fostering a strong sense of community among Relay Bank customers can enhance loyalty and drive referrals. Finding the answers. Unfortunately, publicly available data on Relay Bank's exact customer numbers is limited. However, we can gain valuable insights by analyzing industry reports and news articles. These sources often provide estimates and insights into the growth and performance of fintech companies like Relay Bank. Examining Relay Bank's social media presence and online reviews. This can give us a glimpse into the size and sentiment of their customer base. Contacting Relay Bank directly. While they may not disclose precise numbers, they might provide general information about their customer growth and demographics. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.